Shut up, I'm landing in A380.
You're 2 hours late. At least butter this landing.
We're not united, I know how to fly.
Let's fly faster next time.
You're the one that made us go around 3 times.
Yeah, because your fat ass leaves so much wake turbulence.
Finally an airport we can finally deliver. Butter this landing, okay?
Okay. Like this.
A normal day on California, and I'm carrying foods. What are you doing? 2 left to 1-5.
Stop, no escaping.
This is fine, nothing will go wrong.
Okay, takeoff time. Wait for her, dead mouse. Return to Terminal 69. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen.
Thanks for watching. A new